Hola, ¿qué tal amigos? Bienvenidos sean a un nuevo video. Ya nos hacía falta una presentación en el canal y en esta ocasión vamos a comenzar este año con la presentación del nuevo Nevera de la marca Rimac, el auto eléctrico más rápido del mundo. Acompáñenos porque promete que va a estar muy padre. Ahorita, como ya pudieron ver, tenemos increíbles naves por acá. Obviamente les vamos a enseñar también un poquito de estas bellezas y vean, definitivamente esta bestia está preciosa. Entonces acompáñenos en un breve pero nuevo video. Vamos para allá.
Vamos a hacer la presentación el día de hoy en inglés. Today we have an amazing product. We are very proud to have somebody who has already had a significant impact in the automotive industry and in the shifts of technology that we are witnessing in our times. Please join me in welcoming Mate Rimac, CEO and founder of Rimac Automobili. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Mexico. I had a really nice couple of days, especially great thanks to our customer who bought the car and his family. It was really cool to spend the day yesterday with them. So yeah, to tell you a little bit about how we came to this point. So I started the company 16 years ago in a country that never had a car industry. Between those 2 points, there's lots of stories, lots of blood, sweat and tears. It was a hard time. You know, I feel like I lived already 3-4 lives and not just one life in those 16 years. It was pretty crazy to get from there to where we are today. Yeah, and I was born in a country where Nikola Tesla was also born, in Croatia. So Nikola Tesla has invented the electric motor that we use everywhere today. And he has invented a lot of other things that we are using and taking for granted today, like wireless communication and stuff like that. I was inspired by 2 things. On one side, cars, and on the other side, Nikola Tesla and his inventions. So I wanted to bring those 2 together by making an electric car and trying to use the full potential of an electric motor in the best possible way and raise the bar in what you can do. But I realized that converting combustion cars to electric cars is not the way to go. You have to actually build the car from the ground up to make a better electric car. So it just, you need to understand it. I'm a petrolhead. I love cars. I didn't do this because for environment or whatever, or because it has to be electric, but just because I thought it was cool to have 4 electric motors and use the potential of electric powertrains to do things that you cannot do with a combustion engine. As you know, today I'm also responsible for Bugatti, so we make also combustion engines, but this is not, I didn't do this car because I wanted to save the environment or whatever. I did it because world records in 1 year with that car, from acceleration to like drag races to top speed, even crazy records like driving in reverse 275 kilometers per hour, Nürburgring record. So it's really a car that pushed the limits, and those who experience it really understand it's not just about being electric, but it's about doing stuff that you just cannot do with a combustion car. So that's my next baby, the Bugatti Tourbillon, which is also a very special car. This is what we have been working on the last 4 years. We presented it last year in Molsheim, in France. So a completely new car, completely developed from scratch, has no parts from the Chiron, no parts from the Nevera, V16 hybrid. This is the first Nevera in Mexico. Beautiful configuration. It's custom built for the customer. We don't ever do a car without the customer specifying it. What I like to say is, I built this car because of what I wanted. This was like my dream. But then when you make your dream, you don't know if there's other people who like that as well. So I'm really glad that there's people, like some nice details also, blue-tifted carbon, these red stripes, white interior. Yeah, so that's it, that's the car. Feel free to come close and have a look. Thank you.
Este es el vehículo eléctrico más rápido del mundo. Tiene una velocidad máxima de 412 km por hora, realiza el 0 a 100 en 1.8 segundos y desarrolla la increíble cantidad de 1914 caballos de fuerza. Para ponerles un poquito de contexto, un coche normal que vemos en las calles, un Jetta, un Mazda 3, generan por mucho unos 170-180 caballos de fuerza. Entonces, dimensionen un poquito eso a comparación de esta increíble obra de arte. Este vehículo no fue diseñado para llevar la bandera de salvar el medio ambiente. De hecho, como lo vieron en la presentación, lo que querían hacer es transmitir la máxima entrega de potencia que se puede realizar en un coche. Y actualmente ningún coche a gasolina puede realizar el 0 a 100 km por hora en 1.8 segundos. Este vehículo está limitado a 150 unidades y su precio base parte desde los 2.2 millones de dólares. Una completa locura. Amigos, ¿qué les parece? Definitivamente está en otro nivel. También tuvimos la oportunidad de conocer a Rimac, que es el fundador de esa compañía. Actualmente ya poseen también lo que es Gracias, que también es una completa locura. Pero vean, definitivamente es una belleza. Y también el spec azul cielo, azul con la plata, y la fibra de carbón está en azul. Espero que se haya gustado esta presentación. Si fue así, ya saben, déjanos un like, dislike, todo se vale. Compartan el video y si quieren saber más de superautos, también tenemos más presentaciones que hemos hecho. Por mi parte sería todo, amigos. Cuídense mucho. Les mando un fuerte abrazo. Bye. Suscríbanse.